If you run a business and you want to use TikTok as a tool to attract your ideal clients, this video is for you. My name is Megan Gersh. I've been a brand designer, web designer, and marketer for over 13 years. And today I want to walk through 6 different ways that you can optimize your TikTok profile so that you can attract your ideal clients. But first, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to be notified for more branding, marketing, and web design tips. So let's dive right into it. Number 1, you want to make sure that you include keywords in your name field as well as in your bio text. TikTok has machine-based learning, and so when you use keywords both in your name field and in your bio, this will help to signal to the TikTok algorithm what your content is going to be about. Number 2, you want to include a clear high-res photo of yourself. This is a photo that should show the majority of your face. Bonus points if you can include some of your brand colors or if you can include some kind of prop or something that speaks to your personality. Number 3, at this point in time, TikTok does allow you to link to both your Instagram and your YouTube. So make sure that you have those linked up in your profile. And while we're talking about links, let's talk about tip number 4. If you're able to, add a link to the link space in your profile. Some creators opt for a Linktree style one-pager with multiple links within it. Now, if you're gonna go this route, make sure that you limit the links that you include in that Linktree style page. If somebody clicks through on that Linktree and there's too many options within that list, they may get overwhelmed and just exit out. This is a page that you can always edit later. You can swap them out, change the order. What I recommend doing is placing your most important call to action at the very top of your list so that way people don't miss it. Tip number 5, it should be extremely clear when somebody lands on your profile how they might be able to benefit from your content. Now, you can call this out in your profile bio text. You can also use the covers feature within your content to show the benefit of what each content piece is going to be about. For example, since I talk about web design on my channel, one of the video covers in my feed might read 3 simple hacks to getting more website sales. When adding covers to your videos, it's extremely important to focus on the benefit that it might bring to the audience. Think about what you could include there that would pique their curiosity and make them want to click through to watch that video. And finally, you're going to want to include a call to action in your bio text. This should describe what somebody's going to get or what they could get when they click the link in your profile. For example, I offer a website optimization checklist freebie, and in my bio, I call out to that freebie and I also add an emoji that literally points down to it. So I know that after watching this, some of you guys will feel like you have some homework to do. Comment down below with a tip that helped you the most. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.